Hello students, today I am going to start new chapter, that is chapter 5, and the name of the chapter is The Matter with Water. What is the name of the chapter? Again we will repeat, The Matter with Water. You know the importance of water, children? Yes. We know that water is one of the most important substances on earth. All plants and animals must have water to survive. If there was no water, there would be no life on earth. Plants and animals, human beings all need water to survive. Apart from drinking water, people have many other uses of water also. And the uses of water are cooking, washing clothes, taking bath, keeping houses and communities clean, recreation, keeping plants alive in gardens and parks. Water is also essential for the healthy growth of farm crops and farm stock and is used in the manufacture of many products. So, now we will read this story. Hello there. I am water. I am sure you are surprised that I am talking to you. However, I wanted to talk to you for a long time. You see, I am worried because humans are not looking after me the way they should. I worry about you because without me you would find life very difficult. In fact, life would be impossible. So here water is saying hello to you all and says, I am water. Water is here speaking to all of us and telling that I know you are surprised that I am talking. I wanted to talk to you for a longer time. I am worried. Worried means thinking about something that is not nice and feeling sad and afraid. So, water is worried because people are not looking after it the way they should, and without water life will be impossible. Do you know that without me there would be no life at all on earth? Can you count in how many ways and how much you need me? If I was not around, how would you cook your food? How would you bath? What would you drink? I am sure you have seen your mother or grandmother fasting and going without food for a full day or even more. However, can you imagine spending a day without having a sip of me? I must tell you about my journeys and all about my different appearances. Do you know that I fill up most of Earth's surface? If you view Earth from space, you will see that I cover more area than land does. That is why Earth is called the blue planet. I am even inside you. Most of your blood is made of water. Of course, I am also around you all the time. Water is very important for us children. Without water, life would be not possible on earth. we drink water, we cook with water. Water helps the crops to grow in the farm. It keeps food fresh, reduces our swelling when we are hurt. Here water is saying that you have seen your mother, grandmother fasting and not eating food for a full day or for even more days. But you can't imagine spending one day without water or without a sip of water. It is very impossible to spend one day without water. Water is here telling that I will tell you about my journey and about my different looks. Appearances means different types of looks, and water fills most of Earth's surface. If you view Earth from space, you will see that Earth water cover more area than land does. As we know that there are different types of water bodies as ocean, seas, lakes, ponds, rivers, streams, canals. That is why Earth is called the blue planet, because of the most part is water. I am even inside you. Most of your blood. So most of our blood is made of water. And water is all around us every time. So children, till now what we understood in the chapter that water is very precious, very essential to all human beings as well as to all living being. And because of water only, life is possible. Rest of the story we will read in our next video.